Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss renin inhibitors. What is the mechanism of action? Actually, L-skyrine is the most common example of renin inhibitors. Renin inhibitors are antagonists to this enzyme renin. What is renin? Renin is actually the first enzyme that is released from the kidneys in the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. How it works? It cleaves angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1, and angiotensin 1 is converted by angiotensin converting enzyme S to angiotensin 2. So angiotensin 2 is when produced, then it causes vasoconstriction leading to hypertension, as well as angiotensin 2 also stimulates aldosterone release, which further leads to hypertension. But this renin production is when inhibited, then this angiotensin 2 is not formed and blood pressure maintenance occurs. Our blood pressure is maintained at normal levels. Here you can also see that at this level where renin is released, the renin inhibitors inhibit the release of renin and angiotensin production is inhibited and no vasoconstriction or vascular remodeling occurs. What are the uses of L-skyrine? The therapeutic uses of L-skyrine are hypertension with renal insufficiency, heart failure, chronic kidney disease. These are the therapeutic uses of renin. How it is administered? It is administered orally and once daily. Its half-life is about 40 hours. What are its benefits? It is nephroprotective and it is cardioprotective. Now, adverse effects. Every drug has some adverse effects. It has mild GIT symptoms such as diarrhea, but this is observed at high doses, 600 milligrams daily. Usually we give 150 milligrams or 300 milligrams daily. Abdominal pain, dyspepsia, gastroesophageal reflux, and other symptoms. Other adverse effects are nasopharyngitis, dizziness, fatigue, upper respiratory tract infection, back pain, angioedema, cough. These are mostly seen with the ACE inhibitors or ARBs, but can also be seen with this L-skyrine. Rash, hypotension, hyperkalemia in diabetics. On combination therapy, elevated uric acid levels, renal stones, and gout are also the adverse effects of L-skyrine. It is contraindicated during pregnancy because it is having the teratogenic effects. This is all about L-skyrine. Thank you for watching.